Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel email message after sending in Microsoft Outlook. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first need to do, I'm over at microsoft.live.com. We need to sign into our account and click on the gear icon. Now we need to get into settings. Now from here, click onto mail. And then on the right, we need to click on compose and reply, scroll down, and then where it says undo send. So this basically, you can cancel an email message after you select send. To cancel, select the undo button that appears at the bottom of your screen. Messages can be canceled for up to 10 seconds. You can choose for how long Outlook will wait to send your message. So it should be, it's already set at 0, so change this to 10 seconds. And then we want to go ahead and hit apply, or it should automatically apply. Let me just cancel out of here. All right, so I've got this message here, so I'm going to go ahead and hit send, and then you'll see an undo button that's going to last for 10 seconds. So I'm going to click send, and then it'll say sending, count to 10 seconds. So if you made a mistake, like, okay, I need to cancel that, click undo, and now that's going to cancel sending that. But if you don't do that, if I go ahead and change this, so I'll go to compose and reply, come down. If I change that to 0, click save, click the cross. Now if I hit send, that's going to send straight away. So it's kind of a safeguard for 10 seconds if you accidentally send messages